Men over 50, are you struggling with weaker erections? Do you want a natural way to boost blood flow, increase stamina, and feel confident in the bedroom, without relying on pills? Police car light. Here's the truth. Most men believe erectile dysfunction, ED, is inevitable with age. But science says otherwise. White heavy checkmark. What if I told you that simple, natural drinks can make a huge difference? White heavy checkmark. That certain foods and beverages can improve blood circulation, boost nitric oxide, and support testosterone levels. White heavy checkmark. And that you don't need expensive supplements or medications to see results. Light bulb. In this video, I'll show you 13 powerful drinks that can naturally improve your blood flow, enhance your stamina, and bring back your youthful energy. Backhand index pointing right. Stay till the end, because drink number 12 is a total game changer for testosterone and stamina. You won't believe the results. Clapperboard, quick montage, flashes of pomegranate juice, green tea, bananas, beet juice, dark chocolate, watermelon juice, etc. Are you ready? Let's get started. Men, let's be real, your erection strength depends on one critical factor: blood flow. It's not just about testosterone. It's not just about libido. If your blood flow is weak, your performance will suffer. Police car light. Here's the science. White heavy checkmark. Erections happen when blood rushes into the penile chambers. The stronger the blood flow, the firmer and longer lasting the erection. White heavy checkmark. Your body produces nitric oxide, NO, which relaxes blood vessels, allowing for better circulation. White heavy checkmark. But as we age, testosterone levels drop, blood vessels become stiffer, and nitric oxide production decreases. The result? Weaker erections, slower recovery, and reduced stamina. Backhand index pointing right. And it's not just age. Other factors make it worse. Crossmark. High stress levels elevate cortisol, which reduces testosterone and blood circulation. Crossmark. Poor diet, high sugar, processed foods, and alcohol, clog arteries and restrict blood flow. Crossmark. Lack of exercise reduces cardiovascular health, making it harder for your heart to pump blood efficiently. So what's the solution? The good news is, you don't need pills or synthetic boosters to fix this. You can improve blood flow naturally, through diet and lifestyle. Light bulb. In this video, I'll introduce you to powerful, natural drinks that help white heavy checkmark boost nitric oxide production. White heavy checkmark. Relax and widen your blood vessels. White heavy checkmark. Improve circulation to all parts of your body, yes, including down there. White heavy checkmark. Support heart health and stamina. Rocket. Stay with me, because drink number 6 is an absolute game changer. Gentlemen, if you want stronger erections, better stamina, and improved confidence in the bedroom, pay close attention. The drinks I'm about to reveal aren't just myths or trends, they're backed by science and have been used for centuries to improve blood circulation, testosterone production, and overall male performance. Let's break them down one by one. Clinking glasses. Drink 1, red wine, 1 glass/day, the heart-healthy enhancer. You might not think of alcohol as beneficial, but in moderation, red wine can be a powerful ally. White heavy checkmark. It contains resveratrol, an antioxidant that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. White heavy checkmark. A glass of red wine increases nitric oxide levels, allowing for better blood flow. Police car light. But be careful, too much alcohol has the opposite effect, so keep it to just 1 glass per day. Herb drink 2, aloe vera juice, half a cup morning, the blood sugar stabilizer. Aloe vera is more than just for skin and digestion, it actually helps regulate blood sugar levels. White heavy checkmark. High blood sugar is a hidden cause of erectile dysfunction because it damages blood vessels. White heavy checkmark. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect your vascular system. Drink half a cup in the morning for best results. Banana drink 3, banana shake, 1-2x/week, the potassium powerhouse. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which helps control blood pressure and improve circulation. White heavy checkmark. It also contains magnesium and vitamin B6, which improve nerve function and muscle relaxation. Blended with some almond milk and cinnamon for a delicious, testosterone-boosting shake. Teacup without handle. Drink 4, green tea, 2 to 3 cups/day, the stress reliever. Stress is a major testosterone killer. White heavy checkmark. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that boost nitric oxide production. White heavy checkmark. It helps reduce cortisol levels, keeping testosterone high. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily for best effects. Wine glass. Drink 5, pomegranate juice, 1 glass/day, the nitric oxide booster. Pomegranates are one of the most potent nitric oxide enhancers in nature. White heavy checkmark. High in antioxidants and nitrates, they help expand blood vessels and improve circulation. White heavy checkmark. One study found that drinking pomegranate juice daily improved erection quality in men with mild ED. So 1 glass a day could be your secret weapon. Carrot. Drink 6, beet juice, 8 ounces before intimacy, the natural pre-workout. Beets are famous for increasing endurance in athletes, but did you know they work in the bedroom too? White heavy checkmark. They contain nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide, making it easier for blood to flow. White heavy checkmark. Many professional athletes drink beet juice before competition, and you can do the same before intimacy. Drink 8 ounces about 30 minutes before, and feel the difference. Drink 7, ginger tea, 1 cup bedtime, the testosterone booster. Ginger isn't just for digestion, it's actually a testosterone booster. White heavy checkmark. It's a natural vasodilator, improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. White heavy checkmark. Some studies suggest it helps boost testosterone levels in men. Enjoy 1 cup before bed for relaxation and hormonal balance. Watermelon. Drink 8, watermelon juice, 1 to 2 glasses daily, the natural Viagra. Watermelon contains citrulline, which the body converts to L-arginine, a crucial component for nitric oxide production. White heavy checkmark. It works similarly to Viagra but in a natural way. White heavy checkmark. It also keeps you hydrated, which is crucial for circulation. Drink 1 to 2 glasses per day for sustained benefits. Chocolate bar. Drink 9, dark chocolate, moderate amounts, the mood enhancer. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that White heavy checkmark. Improve blood circulation. White heavy checkmark. Lower blood pressure. White heavy checkmark. Enhance mood, which helps in the bedroom. Just make sure it's at least 70% cocoa, milk chocolate won't do the trick. Hot beverage. Drink 10, coffee, 1 to 2 cups/day, the energy booster. Caffeine stimulates blood circulation, making it a natural pre-workout and pre-intimacy drink. White heavy checkmark. A study found that men who drank 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily were less likely to suffer from ED. Just avoid sugar and too much cream, as they can counteract the benefits. Glass of milk. Drink 11, milk, 1 glass/night, the recovery fuel. Milk is rich in L-arginine, calcium, and vitamin D, all of which support white heavy checkmark. Muscle recovery. White heavy checkmark. Endurance. White heavy checkmark. Better sleep. A warm glass at night can help your body repair and get ready for the next day. Leafy green. Drink 12, spinach smoothie, 3-4x/week, the inflammation fighter. Spinach is high in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide and white heavy checkmark. Relax blood vessels. White heavy checkmark. Reduce inflammation. White heavy checkmark. Boost testosterone naturally. Blended with bananas, almond milk, and ginger for a nutrient-packed, blood-boosting drink. Lemon. Drink 13, citrus water, 2 to 3 glasses/day, the vascular protector. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which white heavy checkmark. Strengthens blood vessels. White heavy checkmark. Boosts circulation. White heavy checkmark. Reduces oxidative stress. Squeeze fresh lemon, lime, or orange into your water for a refreshing way to support blood flow. Rocket key takeaway: consistency is key. Drinking one of these once or twice won't make a big difference. But if you incorporate them into your daily routine, you'll start noticing real results in just a few weeks. So, which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. Men, if you want stronger, longer-lasting erections, you need to pay attention, not just to what you should drink, but also to what you should avoid. Because no matter how many nitric oxide boosting drinks you have, if you keep consuming the wrong foods and drinks, you're canceling out your progress. Let's talk about the 3 biggest erection killers that most men don't realize are damaging their performance. Crossmark 1. Alcohol in excess, the silent testosterone killer. I know. A glass of wine is fine, but too much alcohol. That's a different story. Police car light. Here's what happens when you drink too much. Crossmark alcohol reduces testosterone production, making it harder to maintain erections. Crossmark it dehydrates your body, reducing blood flow. Crossmark over time, it damages blood vessels, leading to long-term performance issues. So, what's the fix? White heavy checkmark. Limit alcohol intake to 1 drink per day, max, especially if you're over 50. Crossmark 2. Sugary sodas and processed juices, the inflammation trap. Sugar is one of the worst things for your blood vessels. Police car light. Here's what excess sugar does to your body. Crossmark it increases inflammation, making blood vessels stiff and less flexible. Crossmark it raises insulin resistance, leading to poor circulation. Crossmark it contributes to weight gain, which further lowers testosterone. Think about it, how many sodas, energy drinks, or store-bought fruit juices do you drink daily? Instead of sugary drinks, switch to white heavy checkmark natural fruit juices, like pomegranate or beet juice. White heavy checkmark infused citrus water for flavor without sugar. Crossmark 3. High-fat processed foods, the artery blockers. Processed meats, fast food, fried foods, these are all enemies of good blood flow. Police car light. Why? Crossmark they're high in trans fats, which clog arteries and reduce circulation. Crossmark they increase cholesterol, making it harder for blood to flow to your lower body. Crossmark they cause weight gain, which further reduces your testosterone. The solution? White heavy checkmark. Eat healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish. White heavy checkmark. Avoid deep-fried and ultra-processed junk food as much as possible. Pushpin pro tip, combine these tips with the right lifestyle. Drinking the right drinks is important, but to maximize results, pair them with flex biceps. Regular exercise to keep your blood circulation strong. Person in lotus position. Stress reduction techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Green salad. A heart-healthy diet rich in whole foods, proteins, and good fats. Rock it. Make these changes today, and you'll start noticing a difference in just a few weeks. Men, I've seen firsthand how these drinks can transform lives. For years, I've been guiding men over 50 to reclaim their energy, confidence, and bedroom performance without relying on pills. And the results? Incredible. Just last week, I received an email from a viewer named John, a 58-year-old man who had been struggling for years with weak erections and low stamina. Speech balloon. He told me, I was skeptical at first, but after just 3 weeks of drinking beet juice and green tea daily, my energy skyrocketed. I felt like a new man. My wife even noticed a difference. I'm more confident, and I no longer feel like my best years are behind me. And John isn't alone. White heavy checkmark. Michael, 62, added pomegranate juice and watermelon juice to his routine and saw major improvements in his circulation. I wake up feeling younger. My workouts feel better, and my endurance in the bedroom has completely changed. White heavy checkmark. Robert, 54, started using ginger tea at night to help with testosterone levels. I sleep better, wake up with more energy, and honestly, my morning routine has been exciting again. Rocket, this isn't magic. It's science. These drinks help restore blood flow, improve circulation, and naturally boost nitric oxide levels, and the results speak for themselves. But remember, consistency is key. Light bulb, it's not about drinking one glass of beet juice and expecting miracles. Light bulb, it's about making these drinks a part of your daily routine. So, my question to you is: backhand index pointing right, which drink are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your story. Men, we've covered a lot in this video, but now, it's your turn. Speech balloon, which drink are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself, help another man improve his health and confidence. Thumbs up, hit that like button to support the channel and spread this life-changing information. Outbox Stray, share this video with a friend, brother, or anyone who could benefit from these natural remedies. White heavy checkmark, and most importantly, subscribe. I release new videos every week with powerful, natural health tips to help men over 50 stay strong, confident, and full of energy. Bell, turn on notifications so you never miss out on a life-changing video. Direct hit, remember, age is just a number, but your health and performance are in your control. It's never too late to take action and start feeling your best again. Take the first step today. I'll see you in the next video.